pear pan.
What?
Is that any good?
No, what now?
I'm making a pineapple pen over here, and I was wondering if you want to
Okay.
be a pear pan.
A pear pan?
Yeah, pear pan. You want to do it?
What does it involve?
Here, watch.
Okay.
10 pineapple apple pan.
What?
It's really easy. All you gotta do is go to the other side of the go to the other counter, run around a little
Okay.
bit. I'm gonna throw a pen up your butt.
What?
What? That's how you make a pear pan.
And I'm out.
Hey, we're done.
No.
Come back.
No, later.
You know you want to be a pan.